Take some. I didn't cut this part. Yeah. How is it? It's bon. Oh, thank you. It's nice. Okay. Because some of this fruit that comes out very early. I used to feel a lot of them are not too strong. You know? You want more? Yes. Don't worry now, you will have it. I just asked you to test it. You have it. Just wanted you to test it. It's sweet. Thank God. Melon is in season. We try to eat a lot of fruit that are in season. You know? After the season, one will just be like you either buy it more expensive. You either buy it more expensive once the season is gone, or you don't even see it. Yeah. No, you can eat the back. Yes, you can eat the back. You can have the back. I told you I'm not a good designer, but I hope one day I will learn the art of designing. You don't like the back? Esther does not like the back. Okay. Bonjour. Oh, I didn't see. Oh, Tan. Oh, Titi. Titi, bonjour. Bonjour, Titi. Bonjour, Titi. Okay, so this is the fruit for the day. Then let's just bring out what we've been working on. I didn't spread them. Let me just spread this here. And turn it up here. So we're having this it's called cordon bleu, and we'll be having it with